Creating a website that generates income has become a popular and attainable goal. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a hobbyist, or someone looking to make a little extra cash, a simple website can be your key to financial success. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the process of building a content-driven website that leverages affiliate marketing and advertising as its primary income-generating methods. We'll also provide examples of successful websites that have mastered the art of generating revenue online. Step 1. Choose the type of website. Content website. A content-driven website is an ideal choice for generating income, as it allows you to focus on producing quality content that attracts an audience. Unlike a blog, which is typically centered around an individual's personal experiences and opinions, or an e-commerce website, which primarily sells products, a content website is designed to provide valuable information to its visitors. This type of website can cover various topics, such as travel, cooking, personal finance, or technology. Step 2. Pick a niche and research your target audience. To ensure the success of your website, you'll need to choose a niche that interests you and has the potential to attract a sizable audience. Conduct research to determine the target audience's demographics, interests, and preferences. This information will help you create content that appeals to your audience and increases the likelihood of generating income. Step 3. Plan your content strategy. Your content strategy should focus on producing high-quality, informative, and engaging content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Create a content calendar to plan your topics and publishing schedule. Remember to incorporate different types of content, such as articles, infographics, videos, and interactive elements, to keep your audience engaged. Step 4. Set up your website. Select a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Choose a reliable web hosting provider, and install a content management system, CMS, like WordPress to manage your website's content. Customize your website's appearance with a professional theme, and install essential plugins to enhance its functionality. Step 5. Implement affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a revenue-generating method that involves promoting products or services on your website in exchange for a commission on sales or leads. Sign up for affiliate programs that align with your niche, such as Amazon Associates or Commission Junction, and integrate affiliate links into your content. Step 6. Incorporate advertising. Another effective way to generate income is through advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to display ads on your website and earn revenue based on impressions or clicks. Tailor the ad placements and formats to blend seamlessly with your content, ensuring they don't disrupt the user experience. Step 7. Promote your website. Drive traffic to your website by promoting your content on social media platforms, engaging in online communities related to your niche, and optimizing your content for search engines, SEO. Building an email list can also help you keep your audience informed about new content and encourage repeat visits. By following this step-by-step guide, you can create a content-driven website that generates income through affiliate marketing and advertising. Examples of successful websites that utilize these strategies include Wirecutter, which provides product reviews and buying guides, and NerdWallet, which offers personal finance advice. By selecting a niche you're passionate about, creating engaging and valuable content, and implementing effective monetization strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving online success.